Hi students, hope you're all doing well. I just realized after looking at my recording from today that for some reason Mediasite didn't pick up the first couple of minutes or so. So I just wanted to give you a context for part 3 of this week's videos, the last video. So at the beginning of that video I'm talking about Cyrus the Great of Persia, and what I do in the couple of minutes when the recording didn't pick up, I talked about the origins of the Persians. The Persians are people who come from Central Asia and they migrate into the area that today we call Iran, and Iranians even today call themselves the descendants of the ancient Persians. And so this is where the Persians come from. They migrate into what is now Iran sometime between 2000 and 1600. It's a time when a lot of different Indo-European peoples are moving into the Middle East out of Central Asia. The Persians come with them and they're recognized as a people, as a culture, but they live in pretty separate tribes for about 1,000 years or so until 559, when the Achaemenid tribe elects Cyrus to be their ruler. And Cyrus is successful in uniting the Persian tribes into one Persian force and then building an impressive empire. He conquers the Lydians, he conquers the city of Babylon, defeats the Babylonians, and then the lecture video, the Mediasite video, picks up around the middle of the slide when I'm talking about what makes Cyrus different from previous conquerors, previous people in this region who had created an empire, Nebuchadnezzar, the Assyrians. What made him different was a liberator. And then the video picks up into talking about the different ways Cyrus was a liberator. So sorry for that technical glitch, and just provided this quick video here to link it all up for you. So hope that's helpful, hope your week's going well, and I'll talk to you soon.